Okay, so today we are gonna make chicken nugget sliders, and this is the kids' favorite. This is the second time making them. We went to Sam's Club and got the 16 rolls. These are the Hawaiian sweet. Last time we used dinner rolls, so we'll see how they feel about the sweet rolls. I have to cut them and melt some butter. Oh, and we cooked, let me see them. So these are the nuggets we're using. And we cook them first in the deep fryer. They get cooked first in deep fryer. We'll cut those open. And then once we cut those open, we will put those on. We'll put some marinara, which we have right here. You can use any kind you want. And mozzarella cheese. And that's it. Let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna try and cut them all at once. And by the way, not mold, it is flour. The back has it too. Just flour. Could be yeast. No. Yeast is...
I know, I'm only kidding.
Okay, so let's get started. Let's try and prop it up and do it.
Here. We're gonna do a few at a time. It's coming apart. Let's try it again.
Okay, so we melted some butter, put Italian seasoning in, and we are going to put it on top of the rolls once the nuggets are done. Once we're done assembling, we have cheese, mozzarella, that's gonna go on too. Yummy. And my handsome assistant is gonna be doing the brushing. Okay, so we're gonna add nuggets to the bottoms. These are not the nuggets I showed you. These are great value because they are a little bit thicker. The other ones are just ones you eat. You don't make sliders with them. I am cameraman and assembler. Okay. No, you're putting on the tops. You're gonna double nugget. Alright, so we're gonna add sauce to each one. I really think we should just put it on the lids. If there's any extra, I will. So I'm adding sauce to the nuggets, to the tops of them. And by the way, I just wanted to add in, the reason why I left that part in about showing you the wrong nuggets is because I explain right in the beginning everything that you need to do. So for anybody who doesn't finish, they at least know, you know, how to assemble, how to do it. But it is the wrong nuggets, and I'm sorry. I should have redid that one. I also wanted to add that the remaining sauce that I had, I added to the tops just to have some more sauce on there, and to use up the sauce that we had. Now we're gonna add some mozzarella. What do you think?
They look good.
Put them buns on. And there you go. This you're gonna do. You're going to put some of the butter, garlic, and Italian seasoning on the top. Okay, so we preheated the oven to 350, and we're gonna put them in for at least 10 minutes. Okay, here they are done. And cheese, and sauce. I would have put some more sauce and cheese on, but it looks good. Let's see what the kids think. Okay, so I forgot to record their reactions. They liked it, agreed that the sweet rolls are just too sweet, and that's it.